Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how VidElite works. Now it's pretty simple to use. Once you have installed the plugin on your WordPress installation, you just go ahead and open the VidElite tab from the left navigation bar. You click on add new campaign, and this is where all the magic happens. First of all, you have to name your campaign, and then you just select your source of the text. You can select one of your own WP posts and or your text where you can upload your own text here, copy and paste it here, and it will use that as a script. Now when you select a WP post, it will also publish the video onto that post as well. And if you select test, it will just give you an HTML code which you can use to publish anywhere. And so in this scenario, I'm gonna use text. Let me just upload a quick script I have, and I'm going to maybe make the pitch a little lighter and maybe the rate as well. I think about 2%. Or maybe I'm just gonna leave it at medium. Then I'm going to click on next. Now we have some styling. Now this is the font that will appear over your images or your text, or your color. Sorry, you can define the text color here as well. You can define the font size. Let's say I'm gonna make it 22. Then you can select whether your background of the videos should be limited to a color or different images. Then you can upload or search for images as well. You can define the number of images you want to use. Let's say I want to use 5 different images for the background. I'm going to type in a keyword and I'm going to search for that. And now I can select multiple images that fit my criteria. 3, 4, and let's say this one 5. And once you've selected your images, just come back here. You can also select your background music. You can add your own MP4 link here, or you can basically just use one from our own library. You can preview the sound by clicking on the play button, and once you have previewed, you can just go ahead and select the sound. I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to head over to advertisement. Here you can upload any image and use it as an ad. Let me try and find something here real quick. I think I'll just use a standard image, maybe this one, and then I'm gonna add a link. You can make change the settings as to where you want the link to be, on the top or the bottom. And let's say I'm gonna go with top in this, and I'm just gonna link it back to Google for this demo. I can also make the link open in a new tab. I can give it a time delay of, let's say, 10 seconds. And I'm gonna add this, and as you can see, it has been added. Once I'm done with everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit the next button. Now it's gonna take a couple of seconds as it renders the video itself. As you can see on the right, it's rendering right now. Just gonna give it a second. It's also going to show you how many images have been processed versus how many are left. And then it's gonna, once this is done, it's gonna render the voice, and after that it's going to finalize some things, and then it's going to give you the video. It just takes a couple of minutes, maybe 1 to 2 minutes. as you can see now, it's done, and it's it just took me to the preview of the video where I can click play, and let's check it out how this looks like.
Hey, what's up? It's iLol here. And if you're looking for a way to start,
alright, it looks pretty cool. Then you can obviously go ahead and share the video on your social media platforms. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you can use VidElite to convert your blog posts into a video, or you can even convert any of your own text script into a video in just a couple of minutes. Hope this helps.